Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in your Microsoft Office application like Word or Excel, if M dash is not working, like when you press Shift option and dash, if M dash is not working, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to restart your Mac. So you can go to the Apple menu on the top and then click on restart. Do not ignore this step, just restart your computer once and then check. Next step is to open Office apps from Finder. So instead of using taskbar to open Word or Excel, you can use the Finder. So click on Finder. Now once you are in the Finder, you can go to application, and then if you have it on Launchpad, you can open the Launchpad, and then you can open your Word or Excel file from here, and then you can try to use M dash shortcut. In my case, it's working. Still not working, you can update your Mac. To update Mac, open settings and then go to general. In general tab, here you can see software update, click on it and make sure automatic update is on. So if not on, click on this, click over here and then check for update, turn it on. So if it is asking for password or PIN, enter your password or PIN over here. And then download new updates, turn it on, and then click on done. And then software update. And if there is any update, it will check for update. So it will check for update and it will let you know if there is any update. You can open the settings once again, then go to general and then software update. Here you can see it's checking for update. If there is an update, let the update complete, install it, and after the update is installed, then restart your Mac and then you can check. Still not working, the last step is to update Office application. Now for this, you can open App Store on your Mac and then you can go to updates tab. So here you can see updates. If there is any update from Word, Excel or Microsoft Office, you will see update option in front of it. In my case, my apps are already up to date. So if you see any Word or Excel or Office apps, just click on update and let the update complete. In my case, Office is already up to date. So in my case, it's already up to date. Here you can see Word, Excel, I have open option. So if you have update option over here, update it. You will go to updates, and if you see Word, Excel, if there is any update, let the update complete, and then you can launch Word or Excel, and then you can try to use the M dash shortcut and then check. So in my case, it's working. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to get the shortcut working. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.